How to use Memoji as wallpaper for iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's video, I'll show you how to use Memoji as wallpaper for iPhone. To get things started, let's make sure we have a Memoji set up first. So open your Messages app and from here, tap on the new message icon at the right top corner and then tap on the Memoji icon right here. Since I already have my Memoji set up, I can see all the Memoji stickers available to me when I tap on it. But if you don't have one just yet, all you need to do is tap on the three dot icon at the left top corner of the screen and then select New Memoji. You will then be prompted to customize your Memoji. So let's go ahead and customize our Memoji. You can change the skin tone and you can even change the hairstyle. So let's go ahead and pick one right here. And once satisfied, you can move on to the other options here, like your nose. You can change that as well. Even the eyewear, if you want to add one, just work on it according to your preference. After that, you can proceed to picking your style by choosing an outfit, and you can also change the color of the clothing you selected. Like this one, I can change this to pink. So just choose the color that you want for your Memoji's outfit, and once satisfied, just tap on Done at the right top corner of the screen, and you should see all the Memoji stickers available to you. And this is what we're going to be using for our Memoji wallpaper. To work on the wallpaper, exit out of this page and go back to your messages. Just open a conversation with one of your friends and then tap on the Memoji icon in order for you to select the Memoji sticker you'd like to use for your wallpaper. You have a lot of Memoji stickers to choose from. Just simply scroll down to see everything, but once you've already selected what you like, just simply send it to your friend. Tap on the sticker to maximize it and then just give it another tap to get rid of all the background stuff and just take a screenshot. Open the screenshot and then just crop it all the way up here and tap Done at the left top corner of the screen and select Save to Photos. After saving the changes to your screenshot, let's go ahead and set it up as your wallpaper. So let's open Photos. From the photos, look for the Memoji sticker you screenshot. Just open it and then tap on this icon next to the heart at the bottom of the picture and then tap Use as Wallpaper. You can then customize the appearance of your Memoji sticker as a wallpaper. You can zoom it in or zoom it out. It depends on you. But you can also add some widgets. But once you're satisfied, you can just tap on Done at the right top corner of the screen and tap Set as Wallpaper. Your wallpaper should then look like this. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you next time!